What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to start a new Node project in Visual Studio Code. So what you're going to want to do first is have everything closed and just open a new terminal up here from the selection bar up here. So just click terminal and then click new terminal. There's a keyboard shortcut, as you can see, Control Shift. It's not apostrophe. I'm not sure what that key is called, but that's the keyboard shortcut for it. And this will open a new terminal. So now you're going to want to locate where your file is, your folder for your project. So I just have this in my data, my hard drive, just a thing called test project. This is where I want to put my Node project. So I'm going to right click up here and do copy address as text. And then I'm going to do D to go back to the start. Actually, that doesn't do anything. Whoops. I'm just going to do CD test project, and now I'm in the file directory that I want to be. So make sure that you have Node installed before you do all of this. So just go to Node, www.node.com or whatever it is, and then just download Node. But now that I have Node on this computer, I'm going to do npm init, and that'll start the Node project. Okay, package name test project, that's fine. Version 1.0.0, that's fine. Description, you can add a description like test. That just adds it to your package.json. So, okay, that's fine. Entry point, it's going to create a new JavaScript file. So index.js will be my entry point. If you already have another JavaScript file, you could paste it into the folder and it'll automatically pick that up as your entry point. But yeah, so I just want a blank JavaScript file. Test command, nothing. Get repository, I don't need a get repository. And just keep hitting enter until you get to this point. And if this matches what you want, this will be your package.json. If that matches what you want, just type yes, and there you go. So now if you look into the test project folder, you have a package.json. So actually, if you right click this, do open with, choose another app, Visual Studio Code. It'll open your package.json, and now you can see all these things that you entered in the settings right when you did npm init. So how to get your Node modules folder? Just do npm install express and then do -- save. And now you just have to wait for this to install. Okay, there we go. And as you can see, it actually updated live in front of your eyes. It added a dependency called Express here, which is just the middleware for this whole project. But yeah, so now you have Express. Now you have your Node modules. As you can see, there's a package lock.json and Node modules. And now you can start installing separate modules that you want for your project to access and to use. So modules are basically like little plugins that you can use to make coding easier, like things that are already pre-built and you can just bring them into your project via npm. Just you have to do npm install, then just install the module and it'll put it in this Node modules folder. But yeah, so now you have everything you need, and you can start building out your project with the index.js file. I don't believe it's in here actually. Okay, so if it's not in here, if you don't see index.js, just do new document and then just type index and then rename it again .js. Yes, and there you go. That is how you start off your project. Now you're good to go. You can start building out your JavaScript file. You can create more JavaScript files, and that is how you start off an npm project from scratch. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any comments or any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.